In my last video, we have learned about the installation of Java, IntelliJ IDEA and Android Studio. Now in this video, we are going to learn about the Kotlin programming language before moving on to Android app development. So what is Kotlin? Kotlin is a statically typed general purpose language developed by the JetBrains that has built world-class IDE like IntelliJ IDEA. It was introduced by JetBrains in 2011 and is a new language for the JVM. Kotlin is an object-oriented language and a better language than Java, but still be fully interoperable with Java code. That means we can also use Java with the Kotlin. Kotlin is sponsored by the Google, announced as one of the official language for Android development in 2017. That means Google already said that Kotlin is an official language. Now how to write a program in Kotlin. Let's write one hello world program. Hello world is the basic program. Let's write in our IntelliJ IDEA software. First I will open the IntelliJ IDEA. IntelliJ IDEA, open it. Let's create new project. Let's name it Kotlin programming. I am going to name it Kotlin programming. Create new window. I have successfully created one project. Let's go to the source folder inside the main and Kotlin folder. Right click on it and click new Kotlin class file. As in Java, we have to create the class in order to run a program. In Kotlin we can create a simple Kotlin file also. Like I create one Kotlin file, hello world. Okay, so to create a main function, we prefix a keyword fun main. This is our main function. Inside the main function I will add one print statement, println and hello world. Okay, no need to add the semicolon in Kotlin programming language. Right click it, run. As you can see, our program has run. Hello world printed. Now back to the PPT. We have successfully created hello world program. Now we move to the Kotlin data type. The most fundamental data type in Kotlin is the primitive data type. There are following type of primitive data type in Kotlin. First one is integer data type, the second one is floating point, and the third one is boolean data type, and fourth one is character. Let's talk about each and every one in detail. So first data type is integer data type. Integer data type consists of byte. It takes 8 bits of memory and minimum value of byte is -128 and the maximum value it can store is 127. The next data type is short and it takes 16 bits of memory and the minimum value of short is -32,768 and the maximum value of short is 32,767. And next is integer data type. it takes 32 bit of memory, and its minimum value is -2147483648, and the maximum value is 2147483647. And next one is long. It takes 64 bit of memory, and its minimum value is following, and its maximum value is following. Let's talk about it by doing one practical. Back to the IntelliJ idea. So here we take one variable of type short, where first we take byte of type, I take one variable byte, and any variable we can take. Let's take a, and it's of type byte, and let's say its value here, it specify the maximum value the byte can hold is 127. If we assign it 127, we are not getting any error, and let's print it, print ln. Here we pass a. Let's run it. So we have successfully printed the value 127. If we change it to the 128, now we got the error. As we know, the maximum value a byte can hold is 127. Now let's talk about short. Here we take the value, instead of byte we take short of type short, and here in PPT we have mentioned that the maximum value that the short data type can hold it 32,767. If we assign the value 32,767 to the short, we are not getting any error. If we change it to 38, now here we get the error, and it's saying change the var to val. As I will discuss about the var and val on my next videos. Now move to the next data type int. It will take the 32 bit of memory, and as well as the long, it will take the 64 bits of memory. Now let's talk about the floating point data type. The floating point data type of two type, one is float and next is double. The minimum value of floating data type is range from this, and the maximum value from following. And the double takes 64 bit of memory, and the minimum value range from the following, and the maximum range from the following. Now let's talk about the Boolean data type. The next type of primitive data type is Boolean data type. Boolean data type represent only one bit of information, either true or false. If we are expecting a variable which will either return or true or false, we will use the Boolean data type. Boolean type in Kotlin is the same as in Java. If you have studied the Java programming language, the Boolean data type is same as of Java. Let's discuss one program. Here we have create one function main and one variable a, which is of type Boolean, and we have assigned it to true, and another variable is b, it is of type Boolean, and this is equal to false. Now we have printed the variable of a. After that we have printed the value of variable b. Now above program will generate the following output: the value of variable a true, the value of variable b is false. Hope you understand. Now we will talk about another primitive data type, that is char. Kotlin character data type is used to store a single character. If we want to store a single character, then we use the char data type, and they are represented by the type char keyword. A a char value must be surrounded by a single quote like a or 1. It takes, for example, let's create one program. I have created one variable letter and it is of type char, and I have assigned it a value a, or we can say a character a. After that I printed. Let's run it on the our IntelliJ IDE. Let's clear it. I create one variable. Suppose I have created one variable var letter of type char. I have assigned it to single character a. Now if I print ln letter. Now let's run it. As you can see, I got a. On our next video, we will learn about the reference data type. As you can see here, they are primitive data type. In next video we will learn about the primitive data type. Thank you.